Hi, this is Rebecca Beeson with the Bergamini group at Keller. I'm here to show you 101 Juniper Ridge Drive. We're at the front yard. We've got beautiful landscaping. I go in through the front door. The home has bay windows all around. And here's the view from the front door. So as you walk in to the right side, you've got a guest bedroom that could also be an office. And as you turn the corner, we've got a bathroom and another bedroom with the beautiful bay windows, as well as a second bathroom. So every bedroom in this home has its own bathroom. We've got cherry wood floors, and through the front door still, here's the living room to the right with a fireplace. And we've got the dining room. And over here behind us is the kitchen with beautiful granite countertops. And I don't know if you can tell how big this is from the video, but the kitchen is huge. And you've got bay windows facing towards the front of the house with an island and just an immense amount of counter space. And I want to show you the garage. The garage is actually a really neat feature on this home. They've got a large two-car garage on this side. But then if you step over here, they've got another garage that has its own bathroom. So it could be a workshop, whatever you would like to use it as. So lots of space. And as we walk back into the home through the kitchen, I'm going to show you the master. Here's a closer look at the cabinets, as well as the countertop. We've got the granite. So here's the master bedroom, which has double doors opening into it. Large master with lots of natural light, as well as you've got a door to the backyard. You've got a closet over here. And then you've got another closet here in the bathroom that's a large walk-in. A big tub with windows. You've got your double sinks. And a shower, as well as your bathroom in here. So let's take a look at the backyard. And go through. So as you could tell through the master, we come back through the master, which goes back into the dining room. So it's very open concept. And we'll go check out the backyard. So you've got a covered patio with fans across the back, as well as a jacuzzi. It's winterized right now, so it doesn't have any water, but you've got a fenced backyard. Nice quiet neighborhood. And here's a view of the back of the home. Alright, well thank you for your time and thanks for watching our video. My name's Rebecca. If there's anything we can help you with, my number is 928-379-1384. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.